Current package that I have comes with this awesome cool backpack. Everything that you need to run this unlimited fast internet comes inside of this backpack. It's a really nice canvas bag. When you open up the main compartment of the bag, you have the battery pack and the router and modem. It's two things built into one. And on the battery pack itself, we have a ton of different outputs. So you can output directly into the router or modem, and you can power other devices as well. This thing supports over 22 watts of power, so it can power a lot of different devices, including your MacBook Pro, or at least my MacBook Pro, because that's what I tried it with. So you can use the included cable to connect from the battery pack going into the modem and router. Now this is using Verizon's high-speed network. So there is a SIM card that comes with the system. It's already plugged in into the modem, so you don't have to worry about, activating or anything like that. It already comes in activated for you.